Nvidia's recent ascent to a $4 trillion market valuation underscores its pivotal role in the burgeoning AI industry. This milestone reflects the company's dominance in providing the hardware backbone, specifically GPUs, that power advanced AI models and applications. Nvidia's GPUs, notably the H100 and the newer Blackwell series, have become essential for training and deploying large-scale AI models. These chips are integral to the operations of major tech companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, Meta, and Google, all of which are investing heavily in AI infrastructure. The company's CUDA software platform further solidifies its position by enabling developers to harness GPU capabilities effectively. CEO Jensen Huang emphasizes that AI's integration will impact every job sector. While some roles may become obsolete, he envisions AI augmenting human capabilities, leading to the creation of new job categories and enhanced productivity. However, he cautions that without continuous innovation, productivity gains could translate into job losses. Huang advocates for onshoring manufacturing to bolster economic stability and national security by reducing reliance on foreign chipmakers, particularly in geopolitical hotspots. He believes the U.S. can ensure a more secure and resilient tech infrastructure. Despite U.S. export restrictions on advanced chips to China, Nvidia continues to engage with the Chinese market, which accounted for a significant portion of its revenue. Huang argues that such restrictions may inadvertently accelerate China's domestic chip development, potentially undermining U.S. technological leadership. Nvidia's trajectory illustrates the profound impact a single company can have on global technological advancements. As AI continues to permeate various aspects of society, Nvidia's role as a hardware provider places it at the heart of this transformation, influencing economic structures, labor markets, and international relations. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more news and updates. Thank you.